Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we will see how you can export your prices from Odoo to Amazon. So if you have products in Odoo, you have recently exported your product in Amazon, but unless and until you export price and images from Odoo to Amazon, your Amazon listing will not be activated. So here I will show you how to export your prices from Odoo to Amazon. And even if the product is already activated on Amazon and you make any changes in your Odoo pricing and you want to export that price in Odoo, how you can manage that export operation? Let me show you. So here I am on my Odoo database. I'll go to Amazon connector. I'll go to configuration, settings. I'll go to marketplace. There is a possibility that I may sell on multiple marketplaces. For each of the marketplaces, I have a separate price list managed. So here with each of the marketplace, I'll find one option to set up a price list. So whatever price I have set up over here, that will be exported to Amazon whenever I export my prices from Odoo to Amazon. So if you go to the specific price list, you will see the prices that is there, and if you make any change in this price, this change will reflect in your Seller Central account when you perform export price operation from Odoo using this connector. Now let me show you how you can export your prices. So here I'll go to products, product variants. I can select this product. If I want to export my prices only for a specific product, I can select this product here. I'll go to action and I'll see an option to update price in Amazon. So this operation will export my prices for these two products in Amazon. Now if I want to export my prices for all the product that I have for a specific marketplace, then I can go to operation, select the seller, select the operation, export prices. I'll select marketplaces. If I want to update on multiple marketplaces, then I can select multiple marketplaces. So whatever price list I have set up in these marketplaces, based on that configuration, system will export price from Odoo to Amazon. Now once I have done with the selection, I'll click on execute operation and system will export prices in Amazon. Now if you want to do the reverse operation, you want to import prices from Amazon to Odoo, then let me show you what is the feasibility. So whatever price you have set up in your Seller Center, that can be imported and set in the price list that we have set up for this marketplace. So when you want to import your Amazon prices in Odoo, you can perform sync active product operation. This import product operation, you can select the marketplaces and you can select this operation, price, update price in price list. So when you want to import your Amazon prices in Odoo, you can perform this operation, and whatever price you have set up in your Amazon Seller Central account, that will be set in a specific price list here. So in this price list, that Amazon prices will be set up, but it will not affect your Odoo's default pricing. So this was all about price update operation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.